Marisol.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's head on over.
Okay.
Because we're going to make some doggy treats.
Ooh.
Some puppy treats. And there's a human and her four-legged...
somebody hiding?
And
oh my gosh, stop it.
Who is this?
This is Timmy.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Marisol.
Hi, I'm Hazel.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Can we...
Yeah.
Is it,
Yes.
Can we pick
You
up...
can lift him.
Oh my gosh. The
You guys
face
have to
on
see what's
this
happening
one.
over here. Oh, well, hello. Come into your
Hello.
spotlight, please, sir. Who is this?
This is Timmy.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
gee.
look at that tongue. Can someone get a close-up of his face?
What?
Oh my gosh.
What is happening with Timmy right now?
Stop it.
Is this Timmy's regular posture?
It is.
Just
my
chilling.
It's his
so hilarious.
defining feature is his tongue.
Oh my
Fantastic.
gosh.
Well, we've roped you into this because this Sunday, February 23rd, is National Dog Biscuit Day.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
very cute.
Oh my gosh.
So if you have a furry friend at home, you'd like to pamper with some tasty treats, you've come to the right place because, I mean, I feel like we're at a bakery right now.
Yeah, we have Susan Palmer of Little Red Kitchen Bake Shop in Brooklyn. And she's going to be giving out a free homemade dog treats this Sunday to celebrate. So that's why she's here today with her puggy.
Oh my gosh.
I can't with the face. And you're going to show us how we can make our own healthy biscuits at
We
home?
are, yes. He's our chief executive taster.
Obviously. What is Timmy's favorite treat?
Actually, it's cucumbers.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever? A cucumbber. Okay, well, no cucumber
No
sandwiches
cucumbers
today.
today.
Not today,
However,
buddy.
do you, and with the thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Timmy, we love you.
But we're gonna
We
go
just
down.
gotta, Mama's
Yes.
gotta cook.
We gotta do some baking.
All right, so you, Little Red Bake Shop in Brooklyn sells human baked goods
We do.
as well.
Yes.
How often do they get confused? The human
we-
baked. Because I fully was like, oh, these
could
look
eat
good.
this. Yeah.
Well, they're all normal ingredients. There's something that, I mean, you could eat this, you could eat those.
Okay.
There's no chicken stock or meat
Oh, okay,
flavoring in there. It's
Okay.
completely natural. It's 100% human grade. It's all ingredients that you generally have at home.
Have in your pantry, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
that frosting is peanut butter and Greek yogurt.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he smells it too.
Does he mind if a stranger picks him
I
up?
think he'll be okay.
Okay, because I
Yes.
think he's
Come here,
trying to.
Puggy.
Yeah.
He's trying to be a part of the
Oh my
fun.
God.
Okay, I will. Hazel, you guys do the thing.
Okay.
Let's do
And
the
I,
thing.
because
Okay.
What do
which
you
one
brought
wants
here?
to be here?
So we are going to make our sweet potato dog treats.
Okay.
And 2, maybe 3 ingredients. I've modified the recipe so we don't have to use an egg.
Okay.
Because they're very expensive right
Or
now.
you can't find them.
Or you can't find them, exactly.
Okay.
So what I have in the bowl is some oat flour. A lot
right.
of dogs can't handle all-purpose flour very well.
Yes.
But oat flour is good for them. It's a common ingredient. You can even make your own with whole oats. You can blend it up.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now-
So in here we've got a bowl of oat flour. We have a baked sweet potato with the skin removed.
Wow.
And I just gave it a rough mash.
Can you? Oh no, I guess that's candied pumpkin.
You
don't-
can use canned
Oh,
pumpkin.
you can.
Actually, you can
Okay, great,
use.
'cause that's good for their tummies.
It's
isn't
very
it?
good for their tummies. So you can use just pure canned pumpkin. Make sure it's not the pumpkin pie.
Yes.
If
Right.
you want it pure, this is all natural, no added sugar, no salt. Really simple.
pure,
Just
okay.
pure. And so we're going to give it a little mix. This is easier.
The magic of television.
With the hands?
With the hands, but I'm going to use a glove because it gets
Okay.
a little sticky and messy.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
By the
Yeah.
way, Timmy is chill. He's just watching you.
He wants to know when he's going to get his
when
own.
he's going to get a little morsel. He's doing quality control, so he's watching
That's
you.
my
right.
gosh.
So we're really just kneading this into a dough that we can roll out.
All right.
And then we've got fun cookie cutters, and they hold their shape really well.
Oh.
They take a long time to bake in the oven because what we're essentially doing is dehydrating it in the oven.
That's literally all that's in it.
It's literally all that's in it.
Is oat flour.
Oat flour, whole oats. Sometimes I put the whole oats in there, but
Okay.
it's super, super simple. And I just use a little bit of water just to help bring it all together.
Yeah. Wow, that's so simple.
It's
You
so
wouldn't think
simple.
that it would be.
No, you
What
don't.
what is the red powdery?
That is freeze-dried raspberry.
Excuse you,
So
madam.
you can pour that in.
You can add it in. You can use it as a natural color if you're making the frosting or even in here.
oh.
And I know this guy loves raspberries.
Oh,
So does he
and
love
cucumbers.
these treats also?
He loves these treats. He does.
So
But
literally, that's all you do.
it's all I do.
Okay.
And then we're just getting
And if you wanted to make this at home, someone wants to take a deep dive into making their own treats for their puppies at home. You have a virtual DIY dog making class.
do.
Dog
Oh,
making?
I love it.
Treat.
Dog treat.
You don't make dogs virtually. You make dog treats virtually. If you did, that'd be a whole different segment.
Yes.
That's right. In the class, it's an hour and a half. And we make both the cupcakes and the treats.
Can he have a treat?
he can.
Oh, I think we
Which
need
one
to
do you want? What's his favorite?
I think he wants, well, he loves the frosting, but
He loves the
he does. He has to take little bites because he's a little boy.
Oh
You're
my
a little
gosh.
little.
Do you
Yeah.
want one of these, buddy?
That's for you. That's
Oh,
for you.
is
That's
it
a
so
good
good?
one.
Oh, it's
Is it
delicious.
yummy?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Susan and Timmy, thank
I
you
know.
so
simple.
much.
Thank
Who would've
you.
thought it was that simple?
Right?
It's super simple.
So
and you just
very
want to bake them low and slow.
Yeah, what are you baking them on? Like 250?
So we actually do a 2-bake on this. So we start at 300 for 45 minutes,
Okay.
and then we go down to 250 for another 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And that's just dehydrating it in the oven.
Oh, okay, great.
They last a really long time. These are...
They look delicious.
Yeah. The heart ones are new, but the others, a few months old.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Love it.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know, if you need a dog sitter, apparently Timmy and I are vibing. For more information on the DIY doggy treat making, go to littleredkitchenbake.com.